Since its inception, it has been the mission of the National Library Board to promote reading and learning across all segments of our society. This mission is of both personal and social importance because reading not only allows us to acquire knowledge and new skills, but it also ensures that we as a society are able to broaden our horizons, and it allows us as people to bond through the joy of reading and the shared experience of reading together. Today we are reading more by going digital. To make reading easier on the go, NLB mobile app now brings the library's e-collection directly to our smartphones. Literature in our mother tongue languages is an important window for us to learn more about ourselves and our heritage. In line with NLB's commitment to promote lifelong learning, this year's Read Fest will also feature more non-fiction programs for participants to learn about topics such as innovation, wellness, mindfulness, mental tenacity and broadening perspectives. Asher Ong, for instance, will be sharing more about his family's travels across the United States, and you can learn more about their challenges and gain a refreshingly new perspective in the Ong family's book, 6 Kids and a Pop-Up Camper.
This year's Read Fest will kick off with interactive installations as well as activities at the National Library Building Plaza. And we are inviting Singaporeans to come down, enjoy the different way of experiencing reading. We are also having the book clubs come on board as well, and that's where you get a teaser of fiction and non-fiction works this year. The whole hope of all this is that we get Singaporeans to read widely and expand their reading diet. At the same time, we have the largest number of Singapore authors being featured in this year's program. And that's where you get a taste of how you can read widely with our Singapore works.